So today we're going to do our nails using the Beetles Polygel set. These are my nails natural, and these are my nails with the extenders. They look so much better. So first we're going to start off by filing and buffing our nail. I did mine off camera, so now I'm just brushing off the dust that it left. So next we're going to apply a base coat to one of our hands. I usually do one hand at a time to make it easier. Because after you put the base coat on, you have to let it cure under the machine for 90 seconds. So the machine that it comes with, it has a self timer on it. So after you put your hand underneath, you press the button on top and it automatically goes off after 90 seconds. So after that's done, you're going to find the right dual form for each nail. And then you're going to squeeze the polygel into the nail form. And then you're going to use your dip solution or alcohol to smooth out the nail. Next, you're going to place the form on your nail gently, trying not to press a lot of it out. If you do, you can clean it up with alcohol. And then you also want to smooth out the back of the nail with the alcohol as well. And then you press the button and put it under the lamp and leaves it for 90 seconds. And then you flip your nail over and you press the button again. And then you remove the form off the nail. You can usually push it back and forth, and then you file your nail to your liking. I got my nail file off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. And then you brush off the dust, and then you repeat the process for the rest of the nail. So when I took the form off, I realized that I didn't have enough gel on the sides. So what I did was I dipped the brush into the gel and used the alcohol to just smooth it over my nail. I learned that that is the easiest way to do it. The first time I tried, I put it on the nail form and I tried to put it back under the lamp and it did not work well. So this way is literally the best way. So you just put a little bit on a brush and then you kind of just pat it in to just cover up that spot. And yeah, so it's better to do a form that's bigger versus smaller because it does take a little bit of time to fix it when it's too small. If it's too big, you can just file it down and it's fine, but when it's too small, it definitely takes a lot longer to do your nails. So if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below if you have done polygel before, if you like it, if you have any ideas of some new nails for me to do next time, just leave it down in the description. Love me the way you did in my soul. apply the top coat to your hand, and then you're gonna place that under the lamp once you cover each nail with the top coat. Once both nails are done, it's time to file your nails. So basically what I did was I started filing, and then I started comparing the nails on each hand to make sure they were the same size, the same length, same shape. They say you can use like a acrylic nail to like shape it, and it's easier. I haven't tried that yet. I've just been using the dual form. But yeah, you want to just take them and just make sure both nails are the same size on each hand, and it's coming so good. I am loving these. I usually do press-on nails, which are super easy and really quick. The difference between those and the dual form is it does take a little bit more time and a little bit of practice. This is probably my fourth set that I have done, and I messed up a lot on the first three, but this one I kind of got the hang of it, so it was a lot easier for me. If you've tried dual forms and you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and then we can experience this together because I love them. I still have them on right now a week later, and they still look amazing. So definitely they are very sturdy. They have not popped off. They are super easy, and you can shape them and form them exactly how you want them. You could do stilettos, you can do square shape, whatever you desire, and you can do it at home, which makes it super easy to get done. So the kit does come with a nail file, but I realized that the drill works a lot faster. It's a lot easier, especially when you're new to nails and you're trying to form them. Using the drill with the different little attachments to it, I was able to get underneath the nail and file that out because there were some bumps. I didn't smooth it out all the way, so using the nail drill definitely saved me a ton of time with the back of the nail, because it's hard to get into there with just a typical nail file. So now that all that's done, we're gonna now apply the top coat to the final hand, and that is it. That is our final step. We're gonna put it under the lamp, and then we're gonna see how they turn out. And ta-da! Here's my nails finally finished. They look amazing.